Effortless Genius, the most easy DIY kitchen hacks you must try now. Life hack: hang lids using a curtain rod. Organize food container lids effortlessly by installing a tension curtain rod horizontally inside a cabinet, allowing neat and accessible storage while eliminating the hassle of searching through cluttered piles. Life hack: optimize fridge space with undershelf organizers. Efficiently utilize clear undershelf organizers in your fridge to maximize space, neatly storing small items like jars and containers for easy access without rummaging through crisper drawers. Life hack: preserve garlic and onions by storing them in a bamboo steamer. Keep garlic, onions, and other aromatics fresh with a clever kitchen hack. Utilize a bamboo steamer basket to provide ventilation, preventing spoilage and containing odors in a cool, dry pantry spot. Life hack: reuse tissue boxes to organize plastic bags. Tidy up your plastic bag storage by repurposing empty tissue boxes, utilizing their rectangular shape to neatly organize and stand up bags in a clever DIY solution. Life hack: clean your oven using baking soda. Make oven cleaning a breeze with a simple DIY hack. Sprinkle baking soda over the oven, dampen it with water to create a paste, let it sit for 15 minutes, and wipe away the accumulated grease and grime. Life hack: use a coffee filter to absorb grease. Easily tackle kitchen grease by employing a coffee filter as an absorbent solution. Place it over spills, press lightly, and let it efficiently soak up grease without the risk of falling apart like paper towels. Life hack: optimize your silverware drawer by incorporating a pool noodle. Organize your silverware drawer with a clever DIY hack using a cut foam pool noodle, creating neat compartments to prevent utensil jumbling and maintain order. Life hack: secure your dish towel in place using Velcro. Prevent dish towels from slipping off appliance handles by using Velcro. Apply self-adhesive strips to both the handles and towels, ensuring a secure and hassle-free solution in the kitchen. Life hack: utilizing cutting boards for cutlery storage. Revamp cutlery storage with fabric pouches attached to a cutting board using a hot glue gun, organizing and providing easy access to various utensils. Life hack: tag your food in containers. Simplify fridge and freezer organization by labeling Tupperware, bags, jars, and bins with DIY labels using masking tape and a permanent marker, preventing waste from mystery leftovers or expired items. Life hack: suspend cookware overhead. Optimize kitchen storage by suspending pots and pans from the ceiling using specialized racks with heavy-gauge hooks, providing convenient access while freeing up cabinet space. Life hack: seal open chip bags with a wine stopper. Maintain chip freshness by sealing opened bags with a cut wine bottle stopper, ensuring an airtight closure for crispness. Life hack: refresh dry bread by sprinkling it with water and toasting. Revive dried out bread by lightly misting with water and toasting on a medium setting to restore its soft, fresh texture. Life hack: prevent avocado browning. Prevent avocado browning by placing cut halves with red onion slices in an airtight container, as the onion's natural sulfur compounds help inhibit oxidation. Life hack: utilize an egg slicer. Simplify mushroom slicing for salads and soups by utilizing an egg slicer, which effortlessly produces uniform and consistent slices for easy and even cooking. Life hack: slice soft cheeses and cakes by dental floss. Create clean, perfect slices of soft cheeses and delicate cakes effortlessly with dental floss, ensuring smooth cutting without sticking or mangling. Life hack: create taco salad bowls by utilizing a muffin tin. Upgrade taco night by transforming an ordinary muffin tin into individual taco salad bowls, crafting cute vessels with tortilla or taco shells for customizable and portion servings of your favorite ingredients. Life hack: employ a lint roller for quick cleanup of crumbs on countertops and in drawers. Maintain kitchen cleanliness by swiftly removing crumbs from countertops and drawers using a lint roller, effortlessly capturing debris with disposable adhesive sheets. Which hack did you like? If you know any good hacks, please share it in the comments.